In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put fractions on iPhone calculator. Alright, I'm on the home screen right now, and we're going to use the calculator in scientific mode so you can properly input fractions and do more advanced math on your iPhone. So first, I'm going to open the calculator app. If you already have it on your home screen, just tap it. If not, you can quickly find it using the app library or swipe down and search for calculator, then open it from there. Now I'm inside the calculator, and by default, it usually opens in the basic mode with simple buttons like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So at this point I'm going to switch it to scientific mode because that's what allows more complex expressions like fractions. To do that, I'm tapping on the calculator view and rotating my iPhone sideways. As soon as I turn it into landscape mode, the calculator expands and reveals the full scientific layout with more functions and symbols. Now we're in scientific calculator mode, and this is where we can start building fractions properly. On iPhone, fractions aren't entered as a dedicated button, so instead we build them using parentheses and the division operator. So what I'm going to do now is start with an open parenthesis. This helps group the numerator of the fraction. For example, if we're building 1.5, I start by entering the values inside parentheses first, then I use the division sign to represent the fraction bar, and I close the parenthesis to complete that part of the expression. Now let's build a full example. I'm going to enter 1.5 multiplied by 3/4. So I start with the first fraction, I type it using parentheses and division, then I add the multiplication symbol, and then I enter the second fraction again using the same structure. As I input everything step by step, you'll notice the calculator automatically interprets it as a full mathematical expression. Once everything is typed correctly, I press equals and the calculator gives me the final result instantly. I like to pause here because the key idea is not a special fraction button, but understanding how to structure the equation properly using parentheses and division. Once you get used to it, you can build almost any fraction or complex expression using the same method. And that's it. You open the calculator app, switch to scientific mode by rotating your phone, and then built fractions manually using parentheses and the division operator. Now you can confidently solve fraction problems right on your iPhone anytime you need.